Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a DYNACE Global member, please don't scroll. Wait and see how I'm going to show you a way to make money with this campaign. If you are a DYNACE Global member, you might not know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this campaign. You who join this campaign and you want to do this business really, but you don't know what they pay, how the company pay his members, okay, how much they pay, how to register, how much is the registration package money to register in this campaign. I'm going to show you, okay. I'm talking about DYNACE Global, the supplement, the full supplement campaign from Malaysia, okay. You know, they have all the products here. Okay, as I'm talking to you, I'm named Mr. JB. I'm the DYNACE Global Stockist in Ghana. Any member register in Ghana, you have to contact me and come and get the product from me. Yeah. So quickly, let's go. This is a DYNACE Global Business Plan. We call it marketing plan. Okay, we call it marketing plan. Okay, let's go now. Before we continue, please make sure you like the video, make sure you share the video. This video must be shared with your downlines because we don't always have time to produce video. We join business, but we don't produce video. We don't learn anything about, we don't produce video because we don't have time. Okay, so I see you don't have time and you're already a member. Share this video with your downlines and other. This can help them to grow in their business. And more they are growing in the business, more your network is growing. Okay, you don't have time to produce the video. Yes. Now, use this, share this with your downlines so that they can use this to promote the business and start making money. More they are making money, more you are making money. Okay? All right, let's go. Okay, here we have 8 ways to earn money. Okay? We have 8 different ways to earn money. Okay? We have direct sponsor bonus, we have pairing bonus, we have key-in bonus, we have upgrade bonus, okay, and we have matching bonus, and we have uni-level bonus, we have leadership bonus, we have retire sales bonus. Okay, how does it work? Member packages. Okay, after you see the bonuses, we come to member package. Okay, member package here, we start from the down to the up. Okay, if you look at the down here, we can see basic. Basic means when you register with 750 Ghana cedis, okay, the member come in, means the member register or the member sign up with 750 Ghana cedis. The upline, okay, the mentor is receiving 24 PV. The member that register, they are giving him one product. Either they give you Oro Center, either they give you Asgard, either they give you Urbanism, either they give you Litmus for only the ladies, either they give you collagen. Okay? Okay. Then those products are the same amount, 750 Ghana cedi. While the upline who registered the person into the network is receiving 24 PV. Okay. The person that they received that paid the 750 Ghana cedi is receiving one product. Okay. Now, that person, if he decides to do the business, means to promote the product, promote how people can join, show people about it, train people about it, and people know about it, and people are doing it, everybody doing the same thing, keep doing the same thing going, is going to be directly a partner for the company. So anything he do in this system, the company is going to pay him according to what he did. But now, to be more clear, here means what? You can see up, you can see daily pairing. Means this person with this kind of package, you cannot earn daily more than $50 daily. Your limit is 50.40 cents daily. Okay? Then monthly is now 15, means is now $1,512 US dollars. monthly. You can't earn more than that. It might happen that one day you have about many thousands of people in your network doing registration, buying products, doing registration, buying products. The total bonus the company can pay you according to your package, basic package monthly is 1,512 US dollars. Okay, we come to the premium package. The person who want to register with premium package because he understand that with this company, more the package is higher, more you earn, more your bonus is higher in the system. And the person understand, and that person decide to pay 2,250 Ghana cedis. Okay, you as the upline, the company is giving you 72 PV. Okay, why the new person who register is receiving 3 products. The person can choose that I want 1 Rosenta and 1 lift mass and 1 urbanism or 1 Asgard. Anyhow, when you pay 2,250 Ghana to register while your upline receiving 72 PV and you are receiving 3 products, the 3 products you have choice, you can choose. Okay, you have choice to choose among the 3 products that you want. Then the company will give you 3 products. Okay, why if you want to develop the business, if you want to run the business, promoting the product, showing people as I'm doing here, showing people how to register and all that, the company said, according to your own package premium, you cannot earn more than 230.40 dollars in a day. That means you might have many thousands of people in your network, but they are buying products through the network, they are registering the new members, but you cannot earn more than 200. Okay, where I am, yeah, 230.40 cents dollars a day. Why monthly? The total monthly is $6,912 in a month. You can't earn more than that because that's the limit that they give to the package that you choose from the beginning. Someone can ask, can someone upgrade? Yes, someone can upgrade. We'll come to that, okay? Now, you come into this time with an elite package. You come and you understand. You play this video very well and you understand what I'm trying to explain. And you decide to join this business with elite package. When you choose elite package, that means you have to pay 9,000 Ghana cedis. Your upline is receiving, you as the upline that introduce the person, the business to the person, the company is giving you 288 PV. Why the person who registers is receiving 12 products? He has choice. As I said from the beginning, he has choice. He can choose any kind of product he like. Or you as the upline, you can also advise him, okay, about the product that he can choose according to the person, okay? Then the person has right to get 12 products. If you multiply this amount times 12, you see this amount, okay? So the new person coming to register that paid 9,000 Ghana cedi is receiving 12 products. Why his account as elite account, when he want to run the business daily, whatever amount of people in his network daily, he cannot earn more than 675.60 US dollars daily. Okay, you might have many thousands of people in the network. They are running the business, they are buying product, they are selling product, they are registering the new member. Why the company has to be paying him? The company can never pay him more than $657.60. Okay, monthly the person can accumulate, okay, 19,796 US dollars monthly. Every monthly, if amount of people in the network keep doing the same thing, as well as what they are buying selling, registering, introducing the new people to the network, the bonus will be accumulating. At the end, if the person is earning this amount a day, at the end, he will end here. He will end at $19,796. Okay. Okay, that's the limit. All these packages, they have limits in the system. They have limit of the amount that they will make. But imagine you are running this business for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years after. Okay, imagine amount of money you are going to make in this network, because there will be a lot of people buying products, selling, registering new people, and other. Imagine amount of money you are going to earn in this system. We call it network marketing. Okay, so now we jump direct to the platinum package, which is the most higher package, okay, in the system. The most higher package, they call it platinum package. Now, platinum package, anybody want to register with the platinum package, you have to pay 15,000 Ghana cedis, okay? Then the upline is receiving directly 480 PV, okay, 480 PV. Now, the person who register and pay his own money, 15,000 Ghana cedis to register in this business, to sign up in this business, the company is giving you directly 20 different products. Okay, you can choose. You have the choice from all these products. All these products, you have a choice. Okay, all these products, you have the choice. You can choose. You will count it 1, 2, 3, 40, 20 different products for you. And then that account as platinum package account, if you want to use it to run the business, okay, if you want to use it to register people, to sell the product, to do everything that you are doing with it, if you are using to do anything in this system, the company will be paying you your bonus. Your bonus, if you see here, if you see daily pairing, the daily pairing here, you can see that is unlimited. It's unlimited. Okay, this is the sign of unlimited. Okay, now that is unlimited here means monthly also is unlimited, because you buy the highest package in the system. In DYNACE global system, more the package is higher, more the bonus to earn are higher. Okay, and when you get to the platinum package, you don't have a limit. If you have many billions of PV a day, the company is going to pay you for all. None of our amount will remain in the system. Okay, that's the advantage with platinum package. Then we go down. Immediately we go down. We are going down for people who we ask about upgrade. That I have started with a basic package. I want to upgrade to the higher package. How does it work? This is how it work. Upgrade package. The additional amount must be paid. Sure. Okay. The additional amount must be paid. And the extra PV will be accumulated. That means when you pay the additional amount, the remaining PV that, because you were basic, for example, okay, you were basic. I want to go back small. Okay, you were basic. Okay, then the upline, they gave him 24 PV. Okay, now that you come now to do the upgrade, they will minus 24 from 72. The remaining PV they will give. The same thing. If you were 24 PV, and if you were 24 PV here, and you want to upgrade to elite, okay, they will minus the 24 from the 288, and the remaining balance of the PV, they give it to the upline. The same thing happened for the product. You were having one product before. Now you now complete the money to get to, you want to complete money to 2,250. They have to give you the 2 remaining products, because you have received one before. They have to complete the 2 remaining products for you, because you pay the remaining amount. The upgrade doesn't mean that you are at the basic package. Now that you want to upgrade, you will upgrade, and you have to pay the total amount of the premium. You were at a basic, you want to upgrade to premium. It's not mean that you pay the total amount of the premium. No. You complete the money. Okay, you deduct the 750 from 2,250. So the remaining balance is what you give. So the company will also give you your remaining balance of product, and we give you the remaining balance of PV to your upline, and give you everything will be okay. Okay, so that is how it goes on. Now, we count down here. They say, a sample. The sample is this: to upgrade from elite membership to platinum membership, member must pay what? See, you do because to the platinum is $1,200 that join the platinum package. So now here, they do 1,200 minus $720. So the balance to pay is $480 to pay from elite when you're at elite. Okay. Then and the corresponding PV will be. It means the corresponding PV will be given to the upline. Okay. So now because the platinum PV is 480 PV. Now they do 480 PV minus 288 PV. The balance is 192 PV that will be given to the upline. While the person who complete the money to upgrade will receive his remaining products. That's how it works. No cheating. Okay? No cheating. So now we are going to talk about direct sponsor bonus. Okay? Here we are talking about platinum package. Okay? That means maximum you can receive is 45% on PV. You receive it on PV, okay? Now, to understand here, they say what? Here is platinum, the amount to join the platinum package is 15,000 Ghana cedi, right? Okay, the 15,000 Ghana cedis. Now, if you are a platinum and you register or you sign up for basic package to someone, the company give you $10.8, okay, which is 24 PV. Okay. Okay, now you are platinum, you register premium package for somebody, while the person pay 2,250 Ghana cedis. Okay, the company give you $32.4, which is 72 PV. You are platinum, you register elite. Okay, elite, which is 9,000 Ghana cedi. The company give you $129.6, which is 288 PV. You are platinum, you register platinum. Wow. And the platinum member pay 15,000 to get 20 different products. Okay. Then the company give you $216, which is 480 PV. Now we are going down again. Okay, we shift down. Now, here, sponsor that.